Hello everyone. Today our topic is volume of a cube and cuboid. Our objective to know how to find the volume of a cube and cuboid, to know how to find the missing dimension of cube and cuboid. If you check the figure, in this figure it's a three-dimensional figure and its dimensions, all the three dimensions are same. That is, the side and side are same. If they are same, we call it a cube. Let's see this figure. Its dimension, that is length, breadth and height, okay, will not be the same. Either its length and breadth can be same and its height will not be. Likewise, any two dimensions can be same and the third dimension will not be, or three dimensions, all the three dimensions will not be same. We can call it a cuboid. Count the unit cube. Note, unit can be millimeter, centimeter, meter and so on. Let's consider one cube's volume is equals to 1 unit cube. How many unit cubes are there? Let's count. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is 15 unit cube. How many unit cubes are there? 3 plus 3 plus 4. 10 unit cube. How many unit cubes are there? If it's a complicated figure, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is visible. And from the second layer, 1 is short, so it's 11. And in the third layer, 3 is short. So altogether, it's 14 unit cube. Copy this table on in your classwork, which says shape, cubes counted, length, breadth, height. In brackets, I have mentioned side, side and side. Volume of the shape, that is length, breadth and height. In bracket, I have mentioned side times side times side. That is for cube. Okay. Look at this cube carefully. I'm going to fill some unit cubes in it. When I filled it, the lowest layer, that is the first layer, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16 unit cubes. The second layer, we have another 16. Third layer, we have another 16. And fourth layer, we have another 16. So let's see what is going to happen. First layer, 16 unit cube. When I add it with the second one, together it becomes 32 unit cube. When I add it with the third layer, I get 48 unit cube. When I add it with the fourth layer, that is all together, I get 64 unit cube. So what I did now, I counted each unit cube inside this whole cube here. So let's see if we give dimensions. That is, we know this is a cube. It means all its dimensions, that is all its sides, will be same. That is, length and breadth and height will be the same. That is 4 units multiplied by 4 units multiplied by 4 units. So its volume will be, volume is equals to length times breadth times height, which I told you its length, breadth and height will be the same. Means the three sides, that is side times side times sides. That is, when I multiply 4 times 4, I got 16. When I multiply it by another 4, I got 64. So your answer will be 64 unit cube. So if you can see the table, when we counted, we got 64 unit cube. When I use the formula, that is side times side times side, we get 64 unit cube. So they are same. Look at this cuboid closely. I'm going to fill it up with some unit cubes. The first layer, it has 3, 6, 9, 9 unit cubes. Likewise, I made it second layer. Now the third layer. Now the fourth layer. So what happens? We have 4 layers where each layer carries 9 unit cubes. First layer is 9. Second layer, when I added, I got 18. Third layer to it, I got 27. When I added first, second, third, and fourth, I got 36 unit cube. So for this cuboid, I have 36 unit cube in it. So let's substitute the value in the volume formula. That is 3 units, 3 units, and 4 units. As I told you, for cuboid, it will never be the same. So what we do here, volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Here we cannot say side times side times side. The reason is the dimensions are not the same. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, multiplied by 4 gives me 36 unit cube. So let's see the table in which the shape is cuboid. When we counted, we found 36 unit cube. And when we use the formula for cuboid, length times breadth times height, we got 36 unit cube. Okay, therefore, volume of cube is equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side, where I told you its length, breadth, and height. That is, it's all the 3 dimensions will be same. But for volume of cuboid, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, they can vary. Any of the 2 dimensions can also be the same, or all the 3 cannot be the same. Okay, there are some questions for you. Wheel of Fortune. Question 1. Calculate the volume of the cube below. When I say cube, all the dimensions are same. So what do we do here? Volume of cube is equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side. That is volume, which is equals to 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125 unit cube. Question 2. Calculate the volume of the cuboid. When I say cuboid, you can see 2 dimensions are same. The third one, it is not. If it is a cube, all the 3 will be the same. But this is not. So to find the volume, we use the formula L times B times H. That is 4 times 4 times 5. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 5 is 80 unit cube. Question 3. Calculate the unknown dimension of the cube below if its volume is 1000 centimeter cube. When I say cube, as I told you, it's all the sides will be same. So once we know one side, we know that other one, and the third one will also be same. There is a way to answer it by saying that it's 10 centimeter. But let's use the formula and do the question. Volume of a cube is given as 1000 centimeter cube. Our formula is volume is equals to length times breadth times height, where you know that breadth and height are the same, and the volume is given to you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to substitute 1000 centimeter cube in the place of volume, and its breadth and height, we know that it's side multiplied by side multiplied by side. The reason, it's a cube, but one value is unknown, so still it's not found yet, so we cannot use that formula. That is why I used volume is equals to length times breadth times height. So I concluded by saying 10 centimeter times 10 centimeter. So we have to find length. So what I did, I have to transfer this 10 centimeter times 10 centimeter to the other side of the equal to sign. So what happens? It becomes division. That is 1000 centimeter cube remains the same when this 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter is transferred from one side to the other side. It becomes divided by 10 centimeter times 10 centimeter, which is equals to length. 10 times 10, that is 100 centimeter square. Now 1000 divided by 100 is 10. That is your length. Question 4. Calculate the volume of cuboid. You can see 12 units, 7 units, and 7 units, right? Okay, so they are not the same, so it's a cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. That is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 12. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 multiplied by 12 is 588 unit cube. Conclusion. How do you calculate volume of cube and cuboid? Volume of cube is equal to side times side times side. Volume of cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height. Here ends our class. Thank you. Have a nice day.